Alright, so here we have, I think this is my first time I'm ever doing a railroad crossing overview. This is Zug Road in Bowie, Maryland on the CSX Pups Creek subdivision. And we're going to start by taking a look on this side right here. So anyway, the first signpost is just a standard crossbuck crossing. And here's the emergency information. As you can see, dot number is 529612M. This is milepost point 10. As you can see, first crossbuck has a yield sign and just a regular crossbuck above it. And I do have low battery, so I'll try to use up this much as I can. So that's the first crossbuck signpost. So we cross the tracks here to view the other signpost over here. And as you can see, basically the same as the other post. Right here is the emergency information. Looks like there are some scratches on the phone number for the CSX. Not sure what the cause was, but it's basically the same thing as the other signal. And as you can see, basically, yeah, yield sign and crossbuck. Here's a look at the grade overview. We got the wood paneling in between the rails forever, and we have a truck that is coming down, so I'm gonna get out of the way of that. The track views, this is looking south towards the Morgantown Generation Station, and right here there's a track speed number right there, and this way is looking north. And looking at one of the track switches, this veers off to some factory, I wonder, and it looks like the second track, the other track switch, that veers off to going southwest on the northeast corridor, and the track that's furthest away goes northeast on the northeast corridor. We do have another dump truck that's coming down right now. But yeah, there you have a railroad crossing overview. Not really the biggest I've done, but it is the first. So thanks for watching.